And now we're going to learn how to make scrambled egg in the microwave. So, a dash of milk.
Is that meant to curd?
Yes. Excuse me.
Yo! Oh gosh, you'll spill it.
Okay, we need another egg, but it's fine.
We'll go get another one.
Can't be asked.
Do it.
Oh, I'll get the rank one.
The rank one.
Give us 2 eggs.
It's fine. Go. I'm gonna give it a little heave.
No, get out.
It's because I'm white, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's because I'm a bird turd.
And just the whites of the egg.
Fucking Chinky taking me over there.
Right, that's all nice and whisked.
Not really, I can still see yellow.
No, it's alright. Look. Then you fold it in.
Okay. Come on, let's go take it to my shitty little microwave.
Leave it in for a minute.
Bitch, you left dirty bloody
Move that.
fork on the...
Yes, I'll clean it. Right, and then, because it starts to expand up, we do it only for a minute, then let it go down, then... Is that how it? That's the second, isn't it?
That's 1 minute there, dudes. Out of my way, I want to see.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay.
Lovely.
Dude, it's not doing nothing.
Yeah, well. At least to get started. We're just going to check it. Okay, why don't do it? Yeah, see, look.
It's not done
It
nothing.
moves. Oh no. Look, see? Can you see that?
Ew. Hate egg.
The microwave's not on hot enough.
Well, it's the hottest it can go.
Just do that.
Don't put it on for 11 minutes.
You'll be there like, when's it gonna go off? Oh, I need to wash them now. Let's put a dirty, raw one with a not raw one, and now you can't eat them back.
Oh, yeah. I know people who drink it.
What's the time? Smell cakes.
I can't check what I'm doing.
Scusi. What? Silver.
Blech. It's them. Look at my microwave, man. It's got a load of shit on top
You
of
see?
it. No, what's happening?
Rising. I'll check the cakes, yeah?
Yeah, you go check
Where
them.
are they? Where's the oven mittens?
Don't think we have any. We're a poor family.
Yes, swear you did.
Oh, here. Will you stop going past my fucking camera?
Well,
Seriously.
you're being annoying and saying that you're poor, that you don't have oven gloves.
I don't. Even though I just gave them. Which...
I don't want to knock it. Oh, they're looking nice. Look at them.
I can't. Yeah.
They're not good.
Check your shitty egg.
Okay.
Look, that actually stinks. Yo! Ugh. What is
Right,
it gonna do that?
it's not done. For about 30 seconds.
You did.
Very freaking. But I can't work this, okay?
You should have let me do it. I've had to learn how to use the microwave. Yeah, you can. If you want to.
Yeah. See? Big.
Big egg.
Stinks though.
It's like, I'm going down, I'm going down. Is it done?
No, look. It looks like snot still.
It stinks.
It will do.
It's eggy. Don't touch that. You'll break my fucking microwave. It's the only way I can cook. Shut up. Get off, I swear to God.
I can only feel like if I do it for 10 seconds, I have to do 11. Because I've cut shit.
Do you know what? Is it never occurred to you? You just press 1 and then O.
Alright.
Retard.
Shut up. Still doing it.
Yo, your big ass face in my fucking camera.
Should be nailed on.
How's that? So it's meant to look like shit, basically.
It does, doesn't it?
Oh, it smells like a fucking stink bomb. Oh, do you know what? When we were making them stink bombs, yeah, we should have used egg.
That's done.
It's done, eh? Yo, okay.
Check the cakes in 5 minutes.
Yeah, we don't need to know that.
Should
So it's meant to look like crap, and then you
We'll put
mush it
pepper in.
together. Are you sure? Are you sure you want black pepper and not white?
I don't like white things.
Fuck you. That's why you're always mean to me. Weak stomach thing.
Let's go try it without. Oh, fuck. Without.
Nice. Okay, we're gonna stop now. Say bye bye.
Wait. Oh, it's burning my chest. Bye.